Hello, friends. Good day to you all in your respective places across the world. I welcome you all to this channel today. This is Lastogenic Biz Talk. Okay, right here on my screen is another wonderful Telegram crypto project that is called Seed. So this is another opportunity for you to earn in the world of cryptocurrency. So I will be sharing with you, I will be opening the door so that you know how to go about it because many people they have been mining this coin and the listing, the TG is just around the corner. So it will never take as long as Telegram mining apps normally be because this is very close. It is already close to their listing period, but you can still mine this coin and still make something meaningful out of it for yourself. So this is what I will be sharing with you guys today. But before I proceed, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you once again, and I like you to subscribe to this channel and give me a follow. So if it is very meaningful to you and useful at the end of this video, please do not hesitate to share and like this video. All right, so back to the business. This is Seed Telegram crypto project. So it has been around for some period, but I just decided to make a video on it today. It is trending right now in every social media handles. So you too, you can start mining this token. You can start mining this coin right now. It's very, very important. So all you just need to do is to go straight to the description box of this video. There lies the registration link. So just click on it. It will take you down to the Telegram app where you are going to start the bot and it will bring you down to this page. So there are some tasks for you to do because we have a very limited time for the listing and for the TGE. Okay, so this is the home page. So we have different sessions. We have the home session, the end session, the boost session, friends, and the airdrop. So now let's go to the end session. So under the end session, we have different tasks for you to do so that you can earn more seed. You can see login bonus start, subscribe to be a seed pro, follow seed combinator, add seed to your name, restart the app to check, then follow carbon browser, play Earthcoin and earn. So we have a lot of tasks for us to do here so that we can earn more seed. And also under the same session we have the academy. So here you can watch YouTube videos to earn more seed. So these are the videos there for you to watch so that you can earn more seed. And also going to this third section, which is the boost. So when you click on the boost, let's see what we have there. This metric shows us how engaged you are. Boost item, story level 2, 3, level 2. So I'm in level 2 under the 3 session. Then the holy water just level 1. So now let's go to the friends session also. You can earn more by inviting your friends and family into this wonderful opportunity. And the last stage is the airdrop session. So let's see what we have there. This is seed subscription. Add seed to your name, seed, income, friends, achievement, seed store, seed NFTs holder, and also we also have the withdrawal session here. So there lies in the seed platform a wallet whereby you can withdraw, whereby you can do some transactions. So this is all about seed. In short and in conclusion, I want you to start mining this token now. Nobody know how much it's gonna worth when it's been listed, and I believe so much that it will be meaningful and it will make a lot of sense by the time it's been listed. So just do yourself this favor by going to the description box of this video if you are yet to be mining this coin and start mining as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for now. If you have any question concerning this video, you can let me know through the comment box of this video, or you can also chat me up on my WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number will be posted in the description box of this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do that. Click on the notification bell, set it to all notifications, and also give me a follow. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead and bye for now. I love you all.